Today we are gathered to celebrate the graduation of the Senior Leader Course 25-006. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have put into practice leadership skills such as counseling, mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem solving to give them the critical foundation needed for effective leadership as an enlisted senior leader in the Army and in the Army National Guard recruiting and retention. The guest speaker for today's ceremony is Command Sergeant Major Kimberly Fox. Command Sergeant Major Kimberly Fox was appointed the Command Sergeant Major of the Kansas Army National Guard Recruiting and Retention Battalion on 26 January 2024. She has over 21 years of dedicated service in the Kansas Army National Guard. Throughout her distinguished career, she has served in various leadership and specialty roles, including 68 Whiskey, healthcare specialist, 68 Whiskey instructor, recruiting and retention NCO, flight medic, platoon sergeant, readiness NCO, senior recruiting and retention NCO, ROTC instructor, recruiting and retention section chief, and first sergeant. Command Sergeant Major Fox deployed to Iraq during Operation Iraqi Freedom in 2005, where she served as a combat medic for the 891st Engineer Battalion. Additionally, she has participated in multiple state missions to Armenia, where she taught medic and combat lifesaver courses. Her academic achievements include both a bachelor's and a master's degree in exercise physiology from Wichita State University. She has been awarded numerous awards and decorations. Beyond her military accomplishments, Command Sergeant Major Fox is a world-class kettlebell sport athlete. She is a multi-time world champion, holds several world records, and is the only woman globally to compete at the men's professional level using 32 kg kettlebells. Command Sergeant Major Fox and her husband Jake of 17 years have one son, Liam, and she and her husband own their own business, Fox Fitness, where they teach Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai, and kettlebell classes. Ladies and gentlemen, Command Sergeant Major Fox.
How are you guys doing today? You can respond, it's okay. I'm trying to be all fancy, so I've got an iPad up here. So today marks a significant milestone in your journey as senior leaders. I know I'm the only thing standing between you and going home today, so I promise I'll make it brief. And because of that, the speech is only 500 words. Well, technically it's 509 words. So over the last couple weeks, you have navigated the challenges of SLC, preparing yourselves to lead with vision, purpose, and integrity. As you step into the pivotal leadership roles, I want to share with you a principle that has guided my leadership journey: the importance of holding the standard. In the world of recruiting, especially at the senior level, one truth remains constant: hold the standard. Hold yourself to the highest standard and ensure that those you lead do the same. The road ahead will be filled with challenges. As leaders, you will face resistance, encounter those who resist change, and meet others who shy away from responsibility. But it is your unwavering commitment to excellence that will distinguish you as a leader. Many of you will get promoted and take on teams of your own. As you guide your teams, you will meet individuals who make excuses or seek to lower the bar. It is your responsibility to not allow them to erode the standards that define our profession. Let your leadership be the beacon that others follow. Strive to be known for your steadfast dedication to excellence and integrity. Let your decisions and actions set the tone for those you lead. Inspire them to rise to the occasion. Remember this: a true leader does not waver in the face of adversity, nor do they succumb to the pressure of mediocrity. Stand tall, with pride, and true to yourself. It is this dedication that will elevate not only your career, but also those you lead. Foster a culture of honor and distinction. As we conclude, I want to leave you with 5 key principles I focus on as a leader. First, in every situation, ask yourself, what have I done to make this better? This self-reflection focuses on solutions. taking on responsibility, and acting within your sphere of influence. Second, always demonstrate a sense of urgency. Timing matters. Third, be a problem solver. In life, we can either dwell on negatives or seek solutions and find a way to turn the challenges into victories. Fourth, cultivate self-awareness. Recognize your strengths and areas for growth. These are crucial for effective leadership. Finally, expect the standard, but always demand excellence. This is for yourself and those around you. Embrace these principles and you will enhance your leadership journey, inspire those you lead to reach their fullest potential as well. I leave you with a quote because this wouldn't be an Army speech without one. Steve Jobs said, "Management is about persuading people to do things, but leadership is about inspiring them to do things." So reflect on your path and the leaders that inspired you to do things to get where you are today. Congratulations on your achievements today, and thank you, and I wish you the very best in your leadership journey ahead.
Command Sergeant Major Fox, thank you for your time to share your wisdom.